Just look at that. The whole place is covered in fog. It reminds me of Sandburg's poem.
The fog comes on little cat feet. Those 6 words alone set the tone of the poem.
That's what's so brilliant about it. Sandburg doesn't use complicated descriptions. He just compares the fog to a cat, which makes it feel real and alive.
And not just any cat, a stealthy one. Think about it, cats move silently, appear out of nowhere, and observe everything before they slip away. The fog does the same thing.
See? This cat gets it.
The way Sandburg describes the fog is so natural, it's almost like he's personifying it. Cover, it sits like a cat. The fog doesn't just spread or cover, it sits like a cat. That single word choice makes the poem vivid.
It's subtle but effective. He could have said, the fog rolls in, but saying it sits makes it sound like the fog is thinking, watching, just waiting.
That's probably why the poem is so powerful despite being just 6 lines long. It's like a haiku, brief, visual, and deeply meaningful.
And let's not forget, Sandburg uses free verse here.
Right. There's no fixed rhyme scheme or meter, just smooth, natural flow. Just like fog doesn't follow rules, neither does the poem.
And yet, it feels rhythmic. The short, controlled lines slow us down, almost making us experience the quiet arrival of the fog.
It's like Sandburg wants us to feel the stillness, the mystery, like we're watching the fog settle in real time.
Okay, but here's a question. What do you think the fog symbolizes?
On the surface, it's literally just about fog. But symbolically? It represents life's uncertainties, the unknown, the unpredictable moments that just show up, linger for a while, and then disappear.
And yet, the fog doesn't stay forever. It moves on. Maybe Sandburg is reminding us that all confusion, sadness, or challenges in life eventually pass.
And just like that, both the fog and the cat have moved on.
It's amazing how much depth Sandburg packed into such a tiny poem.
It's definitely one of those poems that seem simple but get richer the more you think about them.
And one of the easiest to memorize for the exam.
If you enjoyed this discussion, give this video a big thumbs up.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Eloquent Explorers.
Tell us in the comments, what do you think the fog symbolizes?
Stay curious, stay adventurous.